Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys about long exposure photography on your iPhone. So to get a little bit more detail right before I get to the tutorial part of this video, I'm pretty much going to be teaching you guys how you can take pretty good or even great long exposures just on your iPhone. Now, I know you may be thinking, how do you do that? You can't go any slower than a 1/4 shutter on your iPhone. It's just blocked. You can't go anywhere. It's just software blocked. Well, there is a way to work around this, and that's pretty much to take multiple frames and kind of blend them together. That it's been done a lot. It's not just a thing Apple does, but a bunch of app makers do it, and a bunch of people, just photographers in general, they prefer to do it like that, so they don't have to do a very long exposure out in the middle of the day or something like that. But that's a different topic, as daytime long exposures. That'll be done in another video. So this whole making a long exposure photo on your iPhone isn't really that hard to understand. So let's actually jump in to the iPhone right now. Let's go. All right. Hey, how you guys doing? Hey. So let's end this recording right now, and we're gonna go on to our photos. As you can see, my live photos is already enabled. It's right over here. That's already enabled. I'll disable it so you guys can see. So now it's live off, and now you see it says live. All right, so what this is, it's really simple. You just take a photo, moving it just a little bit, and then now you have a live photo. If you tap on it to get to the selection where you can edit it or something, it says live on the top left. So what you got to do here is slide up. There are three other options other than live. There's bounce, loop, and long exposure. So we're going to go to the last option. So we're just going to tap that, and it does what the magic is that I'm about to explain to you guys, to what you need to know for what this actually does to your photos. There's the long exposure, by the way. And also, let me show you guys a little bit of a different types of long exposure. So I have a train, and I have a car outside of my where I work, and earlier failed recording of this. So after those photos, I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how this works, and I'll show you guys again right before the end of the video. So stay tuned if you actually want to know how this works. Alright, so now you saw those photos, you saw those long exposure photos, not just any regular photo. Let me explain to you guys exactly what this long exposure thing does and what live photos are just a little bit before you click off this video. What the live feature does to get the long exposures is that what live photos actually do is capture like a little kind of video and gives you a frame in the center to be your photo, but it's actually capturing a couple frames before and a couple frames after with audio, just in case you just want a live photo. But if you use those couple clips before and couple clips after your selected shot, it will actually blend all those photos together and make a long exposure. As you guys will see in a little bit before the end of this video, that's pretty much how it's done, and it's really easy, it's really simple. So I really recommend, if you guys want to step up your photography game on your iPhone, the default camera app has the ability to make long exposure photography instead of getting an expensive app like I almost got. But then I remembered Apple made a live feature which provides long exposure, bounce, and loop, as well as just normal live photos. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned a little bit about long exposure photography on your iPhone, and I hope you guys can actually take this and learn a little bit about it and have a better time taking great photos on your iPhone. Take advantage of that tiny sensor. That is a beast, if I may add. Alright, see you guys in a later video. Bye. Bye, guys.